Now, here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 futurecast.
So some light precipitation starting to fall now, Michelle, but let me ask you this. I mean, is it our imagination, or did we really get a ton of snow this past month?
And we're more than twice our normal amount for the season so far. In fact, I'm just doing a little snow check here early on, and this is not even including this latest round of snow. We've picked up about 31.8 inches. That's more than double what the normal is up to this date, and I think we'll add on in spots another 10 to 12 inches of snow from this latest system. Want to start out on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar this afternoon, where you can see the blue here now covering most of Rhode Island and a good part of southeastern Massachusetts. This is actually in response to some warm air once again coming into our area. It's almost like two separate batches of precipitation. This first one coming in this afternoon, there may be a little bit of a lull before a second batch comes in, and that's the one where I expect us to generate most of our accumulating snow. Though what's coming through here this afternoon into early this evening could bring with it an inch or 2 inches of snow. It's actually out ahead of our main event, winter storm warning, 4 o'clock this afternoon till 10 a.m. Thursday. You do got to be careful, though, this afternoon. Already getting reports of snow-covered roads up in North Smithfield. Light snow from Steve and Warwick, Brad and Cumberland, 27 with some light snow. And you can see the visibility has gone down in the capital city, where the temperature is 27 degrees. It feels like 19. We've got the high humidity and that northeast wind. Yeah, this nor'easter coming in here. We've got light snow. It may start to mix with some sleet and some rain along the south coast for a time this afternoon, as temperatures do try to climb up in spots above freezing for a few hours. Watch for slippery travel this evening for the commute. 33 down to about 27 degrees for those temperatures, and we should stay in the upper 20s to lower 30s through the nighttime. So snow, sleet, rain, mostly cloudy this afternoon. Again, some slippery roadways. The south coast at about 33. Coventry is only in the 20s this afternoon. Northern suburbs, your highs in the upper 20s to around 30. The warmest part of the day may end up being just before midnight. Light snow this afternoon. Those thickening clouds continue. And we're going to see some snow, sleet, and rain for a time in New Bedford and Westport this afternoon. Breezy. Watch for, again, slippery travel. Taunton at about 30 and Seacon coming in at 29 degrees. I did want to show you a futurecast here starting at 9 o'clock. This shows when the heaviest of the snow will be. Maybe a little bit of mixing for a time along the coastline with some sleet. Midnight and beyond, that snow, that sleet changes all back to snow, and this is when we see the bulk of our accumulations between, say, 9 o'clock and 5 a.m. Very heavy snow falling, but it shuts down very quickly. So the morning commute will probably start off very slippery and slow, but improving conditions through the morning so that by 9, 10 o'clock, it's already out of here and skies are trying to clear for your Thursday afternoon. So what do I expect? Well, the snow continues to move in this afternoon. Slippery for the evening commute with the heaviest of the snow between 9 and 5 o'clock in the morning. The snow ends between 7 and 10. Still looking at 6 to 10 inches of snow, and I think that'll be widespread for Rhode Island, Bristol County, Mass, Plymouth counties. But I also think that there is a good part of our area that could get up to about a foot of snow now, with I'd say 8 to 10 inches, a good bet for much of our area. And those are the amounts by tomorrow morning. Again, for this first round this afternoon, maybe an inch or so on the ground by the evening commute. Windy as well tonight. We'll have to watch for some scattered power outages possible in the nighttime hours. Dry Friday, light snow on Saturday again, but that is not a big storm system. Again, enough to plow and shovel and cause some headaches for tomorrow morning.
Yeah, tomorrow morning's commute tougher than tonight's, or both?
I think they're both not going to be any cakewalk for sure.
Okay. All right. Thanks, Michelle.